Well, the one thing everyone complains about with Google's Pixel phones is battery life and network connection, especially on 5G. It's been the biggest problem since the first Tensor chip. But now, it looks like Google is finally doing something huge about it for the Pixel 11, and it means completely cutting ties with Samsung hardware. This is the change Pixel fans have been begging for, and if this leak is right, the Pixel 11 might just be the most efficient phone Google has ever made. So what's the big news? It's all about a tiny little piece of hardware inside the phone called the modem. That's the chip that handles all your cellular connection, your 5G, your calls, everything. For years, Google's Tensor chips, even the latest one in the Pixel 10, have been using a modem from Samsung. And that Samsung modem has been the main suspect behind the high heat and battery drain issues we see on Pixels. But thanks to a leak from Mystic Leaks, we now Google is in early internal testing to ditch that Samsung modem completely. They are looking to switch to a new modem from a company called MediaTek, specifically their brand new M90 modem. Why is this such a big deal? This isn't just a brand switch, it's a performance upgrade that could fix the Pixel's biggest flaw. When MediaTek announced the M90 modem, they didn't just talk about crazy fast speeds, up to 12 gigabytes per second, which is overkill, honestly, but they focused on efficiency. They claim this new modem uses AI technology to be way more power efficient. We're talking about an up to 18% reduction in power consumption compared to some of its rivals. Think about that. If Google pairs a more efficient modem like the M90 with the brand new Tensor G6 chip, which is already being manufactured by the industry leader, TSMC, you get the perfect combination. It's the two most power-hungry parts of the phone being upgraded for better efficiency, which should mean less heat, more reliable signal, and a much longer battery life for the Pixel 11. This move is a huge deal because it's Google's final step in moving completely away from Samsung hardware for their flagship chip. Remember, Google already moved the manufacturing of the main chip from Samsung to TSMC with the Tensor G5. Now, by changing the modem, they are truly breaking that last hardware tie. And Google isn't the only one doing this. Even Samsung is using a Qualcomm modem in their best phones right now, and Apple is developing their own modem. The modem space is heating up, and Google is making a smart, strategic decision to find the best hardware out there to fix their long-standing user complaints. So when is this happening? This is all for the Pixel 11 series, which we expect to drop in late 2026. Yes, that's a ways off, but the leaks are already out, including the fun code names for the whole lineup: Cubs, Grizzly, Kodiak, and even a Pixel 11 Pro Fold codenamed Yogi. If these rumors hold up, the Pixel 11 won't just be an AI phone like the current models. It'll be the first Pixel phone built from the ground up to be truly efficient, fixing the one thing that holds the Pixel back from being the best Android phone you can buy. What do you think? Is the switch to MediaTek the final piece of the puzzle to save the Pixel's battery life? Let me know in the comments. Also, are you ready for a Pixel 11 Pro Fold? Drop a comment. Like this video if you want the Pixel 11 to finally have amazing battery life, and subscribe for all the latest simple tech breakdowns. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.